Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at a height of 6 meters. This is 6 meters high. You are shooting an arrow from here to cut this flower. Target on the ground at an angle of depression. The angle of depression means you have to draw a normal view. This is the angle of depression, that is 60 degrees. Therefore, this also 60 degrees, because these two are called alternate angles. Therefore, it forms a right angle triangle. Simply draw right angle triangle here. This one, this 6 meters. Therefore, this is 6 meters and this is 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? Means you and the object means this distance you have to find. Therefore, consider it as x. This is 60 degrees. This is 6 is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. With opposite hypotenuse there is a trigonometric ratio sine. Sine 60 is equal to opposite side 6 by hypotenuse x. By transposition, x is equal to 6 by sine 60. 6 by, what is the value of sine 60? That is root 3 by 2 becomes numerator 2. Therefore, 6 to 12 by root 3. You have to rationalize this. How to rationalize? Multiply the numerator denominator by root 3. Root 3, here root 3. Therefore, this is 12 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 4 times. Therefore, 4 root 3 meters. Next problem. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on the pole of height 9 meters. The height of the pole is 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below. That means he has to reach up to this mark. This height is 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use? Up to this mark, consider this as a ladder. You have to reach up to this mark by making an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. What is the distance between foot of the ladder and this is foot of the ladder and foot of the pole is this one. You have to find this one, base. Simply draw a right angle triangle in which this is 60 degrees and this is 9 meters, total 9 meters up to this mark. Therefore, you have to find this by subtracting 1.8 from 9. You will get 7.2 meters. This 7.2 is the height of the triangle. This is 7.2. This is x. Opposite to 60, this is adjacent to 60. Opposite adjacent relation is tan. Therefore, tan 60 is equal to opposite side 7.2, only triangular part. This is 7.2, by adjacent side is x. By transposition, x is equal to 7.2 by tan 60. 7.2 by, what is tan 60? Root 3. Rationalizing the denominator, root 3. Therefore, 7.2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 2 6, 3 4 12. Therefore, 2.4 root 3 meters is the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Next problem. Here is a river and there is a boat here. This boat has to cross the river. Due to flow of the water, it cannot go directly to the other bank of the river. It has to travel like this and making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river. The distance, it traveled a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side. It has to travel. This is 600 meters. What is the width of the river? You have to find. This is the width of the river. You have to find. Consider it as x. In this right angle triangle, x is the opposite side to 60 and 600 is hypotenuse. Therefore, sine 60 is equal to x by 600. Then cross multiplication, x is equal to 600 into sine 60, that is equal to 600 into, what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. 2, 3, 6. Therefore, 300 root 3 meters is the answer. Next problem. An observer of height 1.8 meters. The height of the observer is 1.8 meters. Don't consider this one. 1.8 meters height is 13.2 away from the palm tree. This is palm tree. He is standing at a distance of 3.2 meters away from the foot of the palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the eyes, from his eyes, the top of the tree, making an angle of 45 means you have to measure the angle from the normal view. Therefore, you have to draw a line like this. This is 45 degrees. Simply, this is the height of the palm tree up to eye level. This is 1.8 meters. To find the height of the palm tree, you have to add this h plus 1.8. This is the height of the palm tree. First take the right angle triangle, and this is 45 degrees, and height is consider this as height h, and this is 3.2 meters. For 45, h is opposite, this is adjacent. With opposite adjacent, there is a trigonometric ratio tan. Tan 45 is equal to h by 3.2 meters. Then h will be 3.2 into tan 45. 3.2 into tan 45 is 1. Therefore, 3.2 meters is the h. Height of the palm tree is equal to h plus, you have to add 1.8. 3.2 plus 1.8, that is 5 meters is the height of the palm tree. And last problem for today's class. How to draw a diagram for this one? See, here is a triangle like this. A, B, C. AC is equal to 6 centimeters. AB is 5 centimeters. BAC, angle BAC, this is 30 degrees. Find the